Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I am going to show you how to change the delivery location on the receipt of a purchase order. Use case for this would be a lot of users have their physical warehouse and theoretical warehouse in Odoo both mapped out together, and they like to keep inventory tracked at that kind of granular level. So they want to know what's in shelf A, shelf B, what have you, however they have their warehouses designated, and that can not only be mapped to match in Odoo, but the tracking of inventory can be segmented into those locations directly from the purchase order. So I'm going to go into purchase orders and start a new PO. Had to find it for a second. We'll probably make a PO for the hats. And we'll just use an arbitrary number of 5, confirm the order. So on the receipt, inherently, the operation type is going to be a receipt to your company, coming into your warehouse stock as the default destination location. But you can change this. So say we want to bring the wool hats directly into warehouse stock shelf 1. We can change that there and validate. And if we go back to inventory and look at that location and check out the current stock, we should see the wool hats there. And you can see one move for 5 hats to shelf 1, and that was from that purchase order. So if you have warehouse associates that are checking in delivered products to your inventory and they already know what section they're going to be putting it in the warehouse, instead of putting it in the general warehouse and then doing some kind of internal transfer later, they can go directly to that receipt, put it in the designated location they chose to put those products, and validate it. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.